Hello, good morning to all of you. So welcome to the YouTube channel of Engineering Career Point and Yourpedia here. So I am Vinesh Sharma, your mentor of mechanical engineering. So today I am here to give you provide you a previous year paper analysis of a one particular exam which has been conducted by the BEL here. Okay, so this exam is this paper analysis is of the trainee engineering exam which has been conducted by the BEL for a specific post. Okay, in their organization. Okay, now so this paper which has been conducted for the trainee engineer, this has been specifically conducted for the Bengaluru locations here. Okay, now so why I am doing this paper analysis here, because as you know that the BL has announced the vacancy release recently, okay, of the probationary engineer, and the lot of vacancies has been announced. Okay, and there we have seen that the lots of question has been asked from the production engineering as well as the industrial engineering here. Now in this case, if you just see the this analysis is specifically for the trainee engineer post here. Okay, now and I can say this is for only for the one locations only. Okay, now I am going to tell you that what are the type of questions they have asked you, because if we just focus on that particular post here for that post, the candidate which has been eligible are of the mechanical branch, electronic branch, or the computer science branch here. Okay, so they want that the candidate should have a knowledge of each and every discipline here. Although if you are from the mechanical branch here, so they want you to expect a knowledge of basic knowledge of the computer engineering also, as well as the electronic engineering here. Okay, you are going to see also in the previous analysis that they have also asked some question related from the computer part as well as the electrical engineering part here. Okay, now so now before proceeding the further here, let me provide you some paper pattern. Okay, how many questions has been asked here? So there are total 85 questions which has been asked in this particular exam. Out of these 85 questions, 15 are of the non-technical portion here, and the remaining 70 questions are from the technical background here. So as I have told you that this paper has been conducted for the mechanical, electronic, and this computer science here. Okay, now so they want and for a specific post only, so they want a candidate that which has a basic understanding of all the mechanical discipline here. Along with that, they should have a knowledge related to the experience based. Okay, now so in this case, if you just see, generally the 15 questions has been comprising from the non-technical part here, and the remaining questions are from the technical part here. So 70 questions are from the technical and the 15 questions are from the non-technical here. And if you observe the non-technical portion very well, so in this case you can see the large number of questions has been asked from the machine design, theory of machine, production engineering, as well as the basic electronic engineering here. Okay, now so I can say strength of material also. So as we know that the BEL has basically deals with the manufacturing sector here, so the lot of questions and the job descriptions are basically related to that post only. So that is why the questions has been framed from that particular post only, from those subjects which are related to that particular post here. Okay, now so as you are going for the BEL probationary engineer, so you can expect that they may ask you the question specifically related to the mechanics part here. Okay, large number of questions can be framed from that part here, because they deals with that project only. Okay, now because in the last two previous analysis we have seen that they are asking the question from their subject only, that which are important from their project point of views here. Okay, now so that is why you can see in this case also the question has been asked from the this mechanics part here. Along with that, they have asked you basic questions from the basic electrical engineering along with the computer applications here. Okay, so don't think that you have to prepare specifically for these two subjects here for this PE post. Okay, now I am not saying that. Okay, I am just trying to say you that whenever you are going for a specific post here, you should have a basic understanding. Okay, that at this post which what you are going to do. Okay, what is the minimum qualification you should have okay, and what knowledge you should acquire here. So just make ensure that for the trainee engineer they required a basic understanding of the electrical as well as the computer here. For your, it is not so much important, so you can skip that part here. Just make focus on the subjects which has been asked in the previous years. Okay, now and we have already seen that the BEL has been dealing with the manufacturing projects here. Okay, so focus on the mechanics subjects here. Okay, even though you can focus on the thermal subjects also. Don't take it lightly, because they are comprising to 30 to 40% here. Okay, and the 30 to 40% is very much is create a very large difference here in the final score. So make ensure that you give a equal weightage, by keeping in mind that you have to take a specific focus on the mechanics subjects here. Okay, that is the main information which I want to share with you. Okay, so that's it for this particular video here. And the WhatsApp group has been dedicated WhatsApp group has been created here. You can join the WhatsApp group as soon as possible. Along with that, there is a Google form in the description box. You can fill that form. Okay, if you have any query related to the BEL. Okay, so thank you very much for this.